Welcome to day 2. Today we are going to continue our journey of reclaiming our attention. But this time, we are going to focus on building back the energy and focus that you've been taking back from technology. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Allow your body to relax. And close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. And with each inhale, breathe in fresh, clean energy that comes from within. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any tension, stress, or distractions that no longer serve you. Now let's focus on a moment of pure stillness. And your breath, the rise and fall of your chest and your abdomen, the rhythm of your heartbeat. And this is where your attention lives when it is fully present. And you are here right now in this moment. And this is your power. In this stillness, I want you to bring your awareness to the way you feel about your relationship with technology right now. Reflect on yesterday's digital fasting, the boundaries you set, and the moments you choose to not engage with your phone, your notifications, or the pull of endless scrolling. How does it feel to step back from the constant flow of digital noise? And does it feel refreshing? Grounding? Do you notice your body relaxing as you disconnect? Now, imagine this feeling growing stronger. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded in this mindful awareness. See how your energy is replenishing with each deep breath. Visualize this energy flowing back into your body, restoring your focus, your clarity, and your creativity. You are now in a space where you can begin to rebuild your energy, focus, and creativity. Technology will always be there, but it no longer has the power to drain. You are in control. As you sit in this space of grounded energy, I want you to visualize a clear, calm mind. Your attention sharp, focused like a laser. Picture yourself working, creating, engaging effortlessly in your relationships, all with a centered sense of mindfulness and intention. And this is the energy of productivity and clarity. This is your birthright. Now I want you to imagine your attention expanding, moving freely between different tasks without feeling overwhelmed or scattered. Every moment feels purposeful Every task feels aligned with your values. You are fully in the flow. And take a moment to visualize your ideal day. A day where you manage your technology use intentionally. You check in with your phone when you choose, but not when it chooses you. You use it as a tool to support your life, not distract you from it. And you are reclaiming your time. You are reclaiming your energy. And you are choosing where your attention goes. And with every choice, you are creating the life you want to live. And take a deep breath in and exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Feel how your body and mind are more at ease, more focused, and more aligned with your intentions. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Take this sense of mindfulness and clarity with you today. Notice where your attention is going. Today, you are building your focus, one mindful moment at a time.